I'm Austin Wenrich. Welcome to Hayward Motorsports. I'm here to show you the QuickTrick do-it-yourself alignment tool. We have it already assembled. It was actually pretty easy, maybe 8 to 10 minutes to get the vertical bars screwed in. It comes with 2 tow bars and 2 caster camber bars. You just screw them into the bottom. It actually comes with everything you need besides a dry erase marker or a Sharpie, which I'll explain that later. It comes with 6 pins. Hook them up to the bottom. They get Allen wrenched in, which it comes with an Allen wrench, and then it adjusts here depending on what size your wheel you have. Comes with 2 digital levels, the heavy duty plates, and this pretty trick magnet for the caster, which we'll also get to that in a little bit. So the first thing you want to do, once you have everything hooked up, you want the car to be in gear. You want it to be stable. Set your tire pressures, make sure everything is spot on. So then once you have it all hooked up, what you want to do, which I took this level off the right front, you want to level it to the ground that you're working on. So you just literally butt it up to the tread of the tire, hit 0, it'll beep. Now the level's square to where you're working at. You would just screw it into the caster camber bar there. If you're working and the level shuts off, it is a smart level, so once he turns back on, you don't have to go back and take it off and recalibrate it. So once that's all set up, you caster, camber, tow is the order you kind of work in, and I'll show you why. For caster, you take your dry erase marker, and this little magnet here just sticks to the plate, and you would mark 0, which I already have it done. Turn your level on, which I already have this one level. And you literally, all you do is turn the wheel 20 degrees, 0 out, it'll beep again. Turn it back the other way, 20 degrees. And it says that we have 9.3 degrees of caster, which I have back-to-back checked it off of the way everyone pretty much does their front axles with a level on the steering arm, and it says 9.3. So I know I back-to-backed everything from how we used to do it to using this tool now, and everything's spot on, if not a little bit better. So after you check your caster, you want to go ahead and check your camber, which is just camber in, camber out. Every axle is different. Anything could be between 1 and 3 degrees. They even have axles that have camber sleeves in them to change it that way. So anyway, getting back to the camber, you just zero this out, and you measure camber on a 90 degree. So this bar here is at a 90 degrees. So anything cambered out or cambered in, it would show up, which is saying that we are 0.8 degrees with a camber out, which again, if you take another level and you would put it here, it would read off of 90 degrees. It would probably say 80, 89.2 or 3, which would be about 8/10 of a degree out. After that, you grab a buddy. The kit comes with 2 tape measures. They have these slots in them. Hook it into there, obviously to the other side, and you check your toe, and that's pretty much it. So again, that's how we use the QuickTrick Alignment tool here at Hayward Motorsports. Like I said, you can use it here at a professional base or at home in your garage. Just want to thank them for coming on board and supporting our race team.